Tejas Kumar. I'm studying in mechanical engineering and I'm studying in JSS Science and Technology University, Mysuru. I had taken up my GRE exam on 31st of August. Official score is 309, 161 in quant and 148 in vowel. Faculty from BYJU'S had visited our college. In the beginning of the webinar, it was like I didn't give much importance, but at the end, I heard a point where the faculty of the BYJU'S told me that the BYJU'S are not affiliated with any other college. They don't have any tie-ups with other institutes abroad. So that caught my attention actually, because I'd visited 2-3 consultancies prior to the BYJU'S. So everyone there told us they have tie-up with certain amount of colleges. So that helped me to get into those colleges. So having not tied up with any colleges made me think that I'd be getting best college that is suitable for me. So that really caught my attention during that seminar. So after that, I decided to go have a one-on-one session with one of the members from the BYJU'S. I visited the facilities there. I was told of all the procedure which I was unaware of until then. When it comes to statement of purpose, LORs, how to prepare for GRE and IELTS. At that point, I got to know the clear route and blueprint I need to do in order to apply for the masters. And I think that all the explanation that they gave me and the services that offered me really took my attention. So I decided to go ahead with the BYJU'S, Ms. Rajeshwari, and she asked me to visit their center in Bangalore. I visited them. First, they took all my academic and personal details, and then my academic scores, the extracurriculum, and other things. She and Mr. Mohak gave me the complete route of what the procedure is like for applying for the masters, starting from the GRE preparations, GRE and IELTS preparations, and other projects, preparing SOPs, getting LORs from the potential recommenders. That day, both of us were clear of what the procedure is for applying for the masters, what are the documents that were required. She explained how the career labs would guide us. She told each and every step on how the career labs would guide me for my master's program. Until I was assigned a GRE course and I received my GRE tablet and communication with the master's department, they were guiding me. The main reason for me to choose GRE from Career Labs was because of the tablet. So it actually helped me because of my busy schedule during that time. I had a couple of more extracurriculum that was going on, such as design classes, German classes. So it was really hard for me to find a scheduled time to go for the offline classes. So the tablet helped me to prepare for GRE whenever I could find the time. Coming to the contents of the tablet, well organized. Subjects, categories were really well organized. So that helped me. I could focus upon the matters that I found difficult. I could revisit those subjects. Main thing is we could do it according to our pace and whenever we found time which is not available in the offline classes. Coming on to the tech support, they were really helpful. If a small inquiry or any kind of silly doubts, I used to drop a mail to the Career Labs and they used to revert back to me as soon as it was possible for them. I didn't receive any response later than 1 or 2 days. That was the maximum time they took. And they used to revert back with all the information that was needed for me to clear my doubt, if not more actually. And I used to get follow-up calls once a month or once in 2 months, and they used to check my progress and they used to suggest any changes that I could make for my preparation. And they suggested when to take the exams. Even the follow-up calls were really helpful for me. Spend more time for preparing GRE. Based on my experience would be, don't delay taking the exam, because I was done with my GRE preparation by the end of June itself, and I had taken up 3 or 4 mock tests and I had scored at the range of 315 to 320 during my mock test. But due to personal reasons, I had to take a break for about 2 months. That discontinuity might have affected my score a bit. Teacher advises soon after you're done with preparation and a couple of mock tests, go for the exam, so that you would have prepared well by then, so don't discontinue that. Complete the syllabus as soon as possible so that you will get more time for practicing and taking up more mock tests.